So this is the typical component kit for our tablet system. RAM mounts, very sturdy, very robust. So the docking station with the GDS technology, is for charging and powering up the tablet. So it comes, this part of the kit, with all three pieces that you see here together. It's locking as well. Then we have our power inverter cable. So you can see the inline fuse in there as well. Then we also have here the locking ball joint. So the locking ball joint affixes onto the back of the docking station. And then we have our case. We call it the IntelliSkin. The IntelliSkin fits right into the bottom of the GDS charging area. So it has pins that are there for charging the tablet through the protective case. And then, of course, the last piece of the puzzle, we have your tablet, whether it is a Samsung, an LG, or something else, maybe an Apple product.